while government-issued types of money are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies. Digital currencies are picking up speed. One of the delegated wonders among crypto resources is Ethereum, included as ETH. With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculations and science-upheld digital currencies appear to be administering the blockchain world. Outline of Ethereum, a wonder creation by Vitalik Buterin. The Ethereum blockchain is a high-level undertaking. It is generally famous among digital currency fans, primarily because of its nodal position in the realm of cryptographic forms of money. The blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this biggest digital currency. The whole peculiarity and the major center is programmability. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint and use Ether crypto for all commercial center exchanges. The Ethereum convention empowers engineers to form and work on savvy contracts, consequently carrying out tasks under unambiguous circumstances. Ethereum 2.0, additionally called quietness. ETH 2.0 is the augmentation of the Ethereum system with added highlights to further develop usefulness in the Ethereum blockchain. It had a continuous and predictable stage-wise divulging with market tests and preliminaries to see mass reception and worthiness. As a forerunner to additional upgrade and proficiency, Ethereum 2.0 presented a sharding strategy to lessen the exchange cost and speed up. Including sharding with the existing blend will expand its asset use execution incredibly. Moreover, Ethereum 2.0 started web low-level computing construct in a framework UASM that would before long supplant EVM, Ethereum virtual machine, permitting a decision from different dialects to compose code to run on the blockchain. Ethereum 2.0 and the consolidation is presently at long last finished. Best of all, Ethereum is presently more eco-accommodating because of the consolidation. Ethereum specialized in basic examination. The whole digital money market experiences unusual cost unpredictability, going with the speculation choice and altcoins really testing. In any case, according to our conjectures and specialized examination, the crypto world will just see a flood in exchanging exercises and speculation altcoins. ETH digital currency confronted gigantic negative strain in the midst of a general market auction, and the cost fell underneath $2,500 by January 2022 end. Afterward, due to the crypto market decline of May 2022, the cost of Ethereum has seen a precarious fall. Starting from the start of 2022, ETH has checked enormous unpredictability in its cost activity. Throughout the course of recent weeks, the cost of Ethereum exchanged between the scope of $2,000 and $850. As of now, the ETH cost is exchanging around $1,212. For what reason is Ethereum going down? One of the primary motivations behind why Ethereum is going down is the series of forceful loan fee climbs by the central bank to battle expansion. Financial backers persistently stress over the gamble and vulnerability related with the crypto market, subsequently searching for preferable choices over the Ethereum market to put away their cash. In the earlier year, Ethereum's cost brought financial backers huge returns before the beginning of the new year. Yet, in 2022, there was a huge drop in the cost for every one of the resources. According to long-haul Ethereum cost expectations, ETH is a particularly incredible resource for venture for dealers who can exploit these short and long-haul cost swings. Ethereum value expectation 2022. Ethereum might have least, normal, and greatest exchange costs of around $1,150, $1,400, and $1,650 for the excess long term. According to our Ethereum expectations, the Ethereum future after this negative stage looks encouraging in the crypto market. Certainly, Ethereum will be worth by more than $1,500. ETH value forecast 2023. In view of the specialized examination and cost changes, Ethereum cryptographic money might exchange at a typical cost of $2,081 for 2023, while the base and greatest costs of ETH are expected to be $1,787 and $2,375. Ethereum value forecast 2024. Taking a gander at the Ethereum value forecast and specialized examination, it very well may be guessed that the most extreme worth of ETH might be around $2,987. Simultaneously, the previous presentation likewise recommends that the base and normal qualities might be $2,442 and $2,715. Ethereum value expectation 2025. According to our Ethereum cost expectation for 2025, the base, normal, and most extreme exchange values might be around $2,921, $3,255, and $3,589 in the crypto market. According to the Ethereum cost forecast 2025, we expect numerous organizations and reconciliations sooner rather than later of Ethereum organization. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. Our Ethereum figure uncovers that the Ether's cost will exchange between $3,257 to $3,934, where the previous is the most reduced conceivable cost while the last option is the most noteworthy conceivable cost for 2026. While the typical cost for the year might be $3,596. ETH Coin Value Forecast 2027. In view of the Ethereum estimate, the coin might have a likely high and expected low of $4,475 and $3,851 separately. The typical Ethereum cost for the year 2027 is supposed to be around $4,163. Ethereum Crypto Value Forecast 2028. As indicated by our expectations, for the year 2028, the base and greatest costs are supposed to be around $4,698 and $5,230 individually. Simultaneously, the typical exchanging cost of Ethereum might be around $4,964. Ethereum Coin Value Expectation 2029. Continuously 2029, Ethereum's cost will have seen an incredible ascent, expanding the market capitalization of the coin as well as its interest. In view of our Ethereum cost expectation, the coin's cost might reach as high as $6,241 in the year 2029. While it might exchange around a low of $5,313, the typical worth is supposed to be around $5,777. Ethereum Value Forecasts 2030. Our ETH cost forecasts 2030 showed the coin may be dashing to peak. The token might have a base cost of $6,795 in the long haul, while the Ethereum cost might record a critical high of $7,650 by 2030, according to our Ethereum cost forecast. The Ethereum future looks exceptionally encouraging in light of our examination. According to Vinod D. Souza, #Ethereum expectation, #ETH could dunk to $963 in 2022, ascent to $11,727 in 2030. Greg Lunt tweets, #Ethereum's cost activity addresses the altcoin market all in all. That Martini fellow BTC accepts, assuming that #Ethereum breaks obstruction around $1,305, it will be an exceptionally pleasant day. That's what Cryptumas says. #Ethereum is looking hazardous. $1,240 is a must-hold level on the day-to-day time span. That's what Crypto Wanderer expresses. #Ethereum will overwhelm #Bitcoin before 2030. With Ethereum showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto experts. We reason that the Ethereum projected development will certainly arrive at outrageous highs. According to our ETH cost expectation, assuming you exchange Ethereum at the ongoing value, you might procure great returns. In any case, this doesn't comprise venture guidance in any structure. Complete your own exploration to decrease the high gamble of losing cash quickly. Will Ethereum go up in 2022? Without a doubt, your interest in ETH makes certain to break all limits according to our Ethereum cost expectation. Be that as it may, do your own exhaustive exploration prior to putting away your cash. Take your exchanging choices and put away cash just